Have you ever been told, this is the one dish you have to try from my country? Most of the time, I love exploring recipes I've never tried.
If you cook Greek food, start with moussaka. That's what my friends always say. So I'm making it today, and I'll show you how to make bechamel.
Moussaka is a classic comfort food from Greece. It may look like lasagna, but the flavors are very different. Cinnamon spice meeting creamy bechamel makes it uniquely Greek. The layer style became popular in the early 1900s, influenced by French cooking. Let's get started. Slice the eggplants into rounds, sprinkle with salt, and let it rest for 30 minutes. Letting the eggplant rest with salt removes excess moisture and bitterness. Wipe off moisture. Coat with oil. And bake at 200 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Saute onion in oil for 2 minutes. Then add garlic and cook until fragrant. Add ground meat and brown well. Browning the meat adds depth of flavor to the sauce. Pour in red wine and cook off the alcohol. Add tomato, paste, broth, and spices. Simmer on low for 15 minutes until thick. Melt batter, stir in flour. Then slowly add milk and mix until thick. Turn off the heat. Mix the cheese and seasoning. Let cool slightly before whisking the egg. In a baking dish, layer half of the eggplant, then the meat sauce, then the rest of the eggplant. Pour over the bechamel. Sprinkle breadcrumbs and bake at 180 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. A sprinkle of parsley as a final touch. Let it rest for at least 10 minutes before slicing. Resting after baking helps to keep the layers intact. The layers head up beautifully. Creamy, savory, and just a hint of spice. Now I get why everyone recommended it. Some dishes come with high expectations, and when they deliver, it's something you'll never forget. Through food, we connect. That's what makes it beautiful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy your meal.